I love these how-to videos. Wait. Flashing red and black.
It says we've been hacked. I know what to do. Let me get the tools. Now, one thing you've got to know about computers is sometimes people are intimidated, they don't know how to fix them, but it's really quite simple. All you have to do is follow the instructions and use the right tools. So, a toolkit to fix any computer problem. Well, it says to call 1-900. Okay, so what we need first is our phone, I guess. And
no, Dad, I don't think this is a good idea.
let's follow the instructions. It says to call that number, so let's just do it. Hello. Yes, is this the software company? Good, thank you. So I've got this warning message on my laptop that appeared. It says I might be infected. Does this happen a lot? Okay, thank you. So www.controlmypc.com. Okay, all right, you got it. Okay, and then run. Yeah, okay. Accept. Okay. Now the mouse is moving on its own right now. Is this normal? Yeah. Oh, that's you working. Okay, good. So you're gonna check it out, right? Thank you.
Daddy, we're getting hacked.
No, we're not. All right, no problem. You need to transfer something to my laptop. Okay, no problem. You go ahead. I'll click authorize. There you go. Got infected with the virus. Okay, but you can clean it up, right? Okay, thank you. Please go ahead. How much? Yeah, no problem. You take Visa? Okay. You ready? Expiration date 03/22.
That wasn't a good idea.
Why? I mean, they're going to fix the problem. It's not very expensive. I'm sorry, the card didn't go through. Oh. Okay, try this MasterCard here.
Daddy, we got hacked.
No, we didn't. It only costs $5, right? Okay, no problem. It's not expensive, really.
5 what?
I'm sorry, what? I'm really sorry. Okay, you take American Express? Okay, good. This one, I guarantee it has no limit on it. Just charge it, okay? And last digits, 9645.
Daddy, we'll end up living under a bridge if you continue. It's not a good idea.
Won't. Okay, great. They're gonna fix it right away, no problem.
Didn't they just take you your money 3 times? They didn't.
No. The first cards didn't work, so I just had to keep giving them different ones. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, that's all the payment methods I have. Bitcoin?
Pro tip: don't do this.
Well, at least we still have our YouTube channel. What are you looking at?
Well, there's a new YouTube channel called At Home with the Handymans.
Gosh, their episodes look just like ours.
Yeah.
And they even got the new episodes, the stuff we haven't published yet. Gosh.
That's impossible! Dad, we got hacked.
No, we didn't.
I'm cold.
Me too.